So I've been kind of playing around with this Chord Buddy here and just trying to get the feel of it and get used to smashing down on these buttons in order to make a solid chord where you don't have any fret buzzing or any type of dead note. And I kind of like it. I mean, I'm getting used to it a little bit, playing around and, fooling around with it or whatnot. What I ended up doing is yesterday, when I made the video, I started playing around a little bit more with it after the video, just to see, just get used to it. Something a little bit heavier that's on top, or thicker that's on top of the fretboard. I'm going to try it in different positions of the neck and see what how that works as well. But I wrapped some paper around it because they were sliding out a lot. I mean, there's a little plastic tab that is on these things that kind of sticks a little bit higher than the flat surface of this thing. So when it slides in, it's supposed to kind of like just snug, kind of slide into the groove and tighten itself up as you push it in. But as you're playing it, it backs out. So I don't know if it's just vibration from the guitar loosens it up, or mashing down on it tends to make it creep out of its, spot where it's supposed to stay. So the paper helped out a lot, keeping it in place. Not so much as far as, still having the fret harder in order to create the chords that I'm looking for. But all in all, I think it's all right. I did put this on one of my electrics, and it does fit. So it does work on electric guitar as well. If it's got a real narrow neck, I'm sure it probably won't. But on what I have, it does. And I'm surprised that this acoustic guitar unplugged sounds as good as it does for a cheap acoustic guitar. I mean, hell, $80 for an acoustic guitar? Come on. But all in all, it sounds good. Just getting used to this. Now, I did open up the book, kind of went through a little bit. And there's some basic stuff inside of here, and kind of gives you a breakdown and a little bit of a description of how to play this. So instead of like just going by each note here, it gives you each chord, it gives you the note as well and shows you where it is, and also how to strum it. So not bad, all in all. I gotta say, blue suede shoes, come on. It comes with the song book, and then it comes with a second book that is a 2-month lesson plan. All right, and this will guide you to learn strumming patterns, 3/4, 4/4 songs. It's got the CD inside there, the DVD in here as well. And I haven't touched it yet. I haven't really looked inside these books at all. I've been just trying to basically play it without the books. Making up my own as I go along and just seeing how it sounds. And I gotta say, it does sound halfway decent. Doesn't sound bad. And I'm going to continue to kind of play with it. I like it. Try it out on a guitar with some pickups on there and see what the little distortion gives you as far as this thing goes. But all in all, it's not bad. Nice little toy, sort of say. It is cheating. I mean, you're not really doing it yourself, but beginner, what can I say?